डियर फ्रेंड्स, तो अभी एक सर्कुलर आया है रिगार्डिंग बैंक पेंशन अपडेट ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशन सैनिटरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन का। तो इसमें दोस्तों सर्कुलर है जो वो है सर्कुलेशन अमंग मेंबर्स ऑफ गवर्निंग काउंसिल स्टेट सेक्रेटरी स्पेशल एडवाइजर्स एफिलिएट्स एंड मेंबर्स एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ सीबीपीआरओ। तो सर्कुलर है क्या दोस्तों, वो अभी हम देखने वाले हैं। 15 अक्टूबर का सर्कुलर है दोस्तों। फॉर सर्कुलेशन अमंग मेंबर्स ऑफ गवर्निंग काउंसिल, our letter to Honorable Union Finance Minister on date informing the outcome of our meeting with IBA officials and requesting her to take steps to expedite quick resolutions of the unresolved issues of the bank retirees. So we reproduce here under text of our letter written on the date to Honorable Union Finance Minister. This is information for the members. तो यहाँ पे अभी आप सर्कल देखें तो this circular is written to Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Honorable Union Finance Minister, Government of India. So North Block, New Delhi. Respected Madam, subject meeting at your office on 4th of October 2022 on issues concerning the retirees of bank industries. Our meeting with the IBA. So we convey our proposed thanks and gratitude to you for giving us the opportunity to tell us views on the above subjects. So we noted with great satisfaction that you heard us with attention and concern and assured us that necessary steps would be taken. Within the next 2 days of our meeting with your good self, we got a call from office of IBA Mumbai informing us to meet them on mutually convenient date. So in pursuant of said call, we met the officials of IBA at their office on 11th of October 2022 and discussed the core issues, namely pension updation, extension of uniform DA compensation to pre-November 2002 retirees, which was irrationally denied to them in contravention of the provision of bipart settlement. So medical insurance scheme as available to serving employees and officers with reference to ministry communication to IBA in the year 2012 and other issues mentioned in our memorandum. So the issues were discussed in detail. So in the course of said discussion, we placed our presentation on each agenda item and submit documents in favor of our contentions. तो दोस्तों उसके बाद IBA team consisting of Deputy Chief Executive IBA along with senior advisors and advisor HR interacted with us displaying positive response. We have sent letter of thanks to IBA recording our gratitude to for listening to us with concern, care and understanding. उसके बाद next, Madam, your initiative, concern and respect for elder citizens of banking industry will surely enable IBA to take positive steps to ameliorate for the sufferings of the advancedly and population of the bank. So it is our earnest request to your good self to ensure that pension regulation as notified to Government Gazette is implemented as per the RBI rule. So extension of uniform DA to pre-November 2002 retirees as per the 8th bipart settlement and medical insurance as per the government communication to IBA be also implemented. So after meeting your good self, we are confident that there will be a great forward movement of the issues to the logical conclusion. So we sincerely hope and believe that all the issues discussed will not again fall in a circle which is not interested in widening its circumference. So we shall be very happy if IBA considers our view in a sympathetic, pragmatic and humanitarian way and a fast since the time at the disposal of the pensioners and retirees is very short. So there has been a substantial chunk of membership whose age group falls between 75 to 95 years. So your highly humanitarian initiative in the case of improvement in family pension is freshly in our memory with a deep sense of gratitude. So in the given circumstances, we make a earnest appeal to you to kindly keep an affectionate watch over the development concerning the interest of bank pensioners and retirees and ensure a logical conclusion of the rightful expectation. तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं कैसे एक ग्रेटिट्यूड का जो यहाँ पे फीलिंग है टू द अवर जो निर्मला सीतारमन जी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है उसके रिगार्डिंग अभी जो ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशन रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन का जो ग्रेटिट्यूड एटीट्यूड है वो बहुत अच्छा है इस सर्कुलर में दोस्तों. So in the given circumstances, we make earnest appeal to you to kindly keep an affectionate watch over the development concerning the interest of the bank pensioners and retirees and ensure a logical conclusion of the rightful expectations. And we beg to enroach upon your valuable time over another very important area, that is the consultative status of bank pensioner and retirees organization at periodical intervals. So IBA still hangs over it existing stand that they have got mandate from MD, managing director of different banks के managing directors to negotiate with the serving unions and associations only, and as a result it is difficult for them to allow consultative status to the bank pensioners and the retirees organization. So we believe that this self-created impasse cannot be crossed over unless an advisory goes to IBA from the, जब तक एक एडवाइजरी गवर्नमेंट से आईबीए को नहीं जाती तो तब तक ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। तो ये मैडम को बड़ा प्रॉपरली हमारे ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन ने दोस्तों लिखा है। सो वी शैल रिमेन grateful for the response gesture shown to the senior citizens of the industry, and we do expect that you will kindly keep a watch over the development to follow. So we know that it is too much of the expectation from the Honorable Union Finance Minister of a vast country like India to get time out of your hectical busy schedule. So what we still crave the indulgence of doing so, as we cannot forget the clarion call that you give to all the bankers to treat the bank pensioners and retirees of the industry as members of same family. तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं ये लेटर के बी आचार्य जो कि हमारे प्रेसिडेंट हैं AIB पार के एंड ज्वाइंट कन्वीनर हैं CBPRO के, एंड सुप्रीता सरकार जो हमारे जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं। तो दोस्तों ये जो लेटर है ये पूरा ग्रेटिट्यूड में दोस्तों लेटर लिखा है टू अवर ऑनरेबल यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ऑन डेट इन्फॉर्मिंग द outcome of our meeting with IB officials and requesting her to take steps to expedite quick resolutions of the unresolved issues जो हैं बैंक रिटायरीज के दोस्तों। तो जहाँ पे अगर आप देखें दोस्तों ये आज की डेट का सर्कुलर है, तो इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर्स हैं वो हैं पेंशन अपडेशन, extension of uniform DA compensation to pre-November 2002 retirees, and which was irrationally denied to them in contravention in the provision of RBA in the provision of bipartite settlement, and medical insurance scheme सबसे important है इसके ऊपर आपको पता ही है, as it is available to serving employees and officer with reference to ministry's communication to IBA in the year 2012 and other issues mentioned in our memorandum. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं the issues were discussed in detail in the course of said discussion, so we placed our representation on each agenda item and submitted documents in favor of our contentions. So दोस्तों this was a letter full of gratitude. तो होपफुली इसका जो आउटपुट है वो दोस्तों दिख जाएगा हमें। तो दोस्तों प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन अपडेट्स, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो। लाइक जरूर कर देना दोस्तों वीडियो को, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे सेशन। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।